Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. Today I'm sharing how to make Instagram inspired album to store your favorite memories. You can also use this album as a personalized gift to someone special. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. To make this album, you will need two heavy cardstock pieces which measures 4 by 4 inches each. Then round off the corners. Next, take a piece of watercolor cardstock and trace square on it. Next, I am using purple, blue, yellow, orange and red watercolors to color my Instagram logo. I am using wet on wet watercolor technique, in which you will need to apply lots of water to the paper and then drop some wet watercolors on top and let water do its magic to blend the colors. If you don't want to paint this logo, then you can also print out same Instagram logo from Google. Once you are happy with the outcome, then keep it aside to dry. While it's drying, take a strip of paper which measures 3 by 12 inches. Next, fold this strip in half and then again in half, and you will get 3 by 3 square. Now accordion fold it to get W-like shape. You will need 3 such pieces. Now stick them together with liquid glue. Next, stick heavy cardstock on both sides as album cover. Now cut this watercolor panel to size. And stick it on album cover. Next, draw Instagram logo details with white gel pen. Then print out some of your favorite pics. Next, stick those pictures on each page and then write down taglines which describes the picture along with catchy hashtags. I chose to make this as my Hong Kong travel album. And your Instagram album is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate this, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day and happy crafting!